Jurassic. Wow. Guys, this is Gene. Remember, we met him at the floating market. Kaya kapag nandito kayo sa Singapore, just give it a try. Malamig sa loob. Tapos ang daming mga bebe. Oh, good. Thank you so much. Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas. Kakababa lang natin dito sa Gardens by the Bay and nag-taxi na tayo. Kasi nagpahinga muna ako right after ng USS natin. Same day lang to. Tapos kung gusto nyong mag-taxi, magpapababa kayo dito mismo. Pin nyo lang yung Gardens by the Bay. Dito na kayo bababa. And look at this. So ang pupuntahan natin dito guys is yung Flower Dome at saka yung Cloud Forest. Yung makikita nyo yung dalawang dome na malaki at saka maliit. Yun. So let's head this way. So saka na tayo mag-explore nito. Doon muna tayo sa pinaka vlog talaga natin. So by the way, i-meet natin si Jean, yung Singaporean friend natin na na-meet natin sa Bangkok during our train market and floating market experience. Yung sa last part ng floating market.
Flashback.
Just have a picture. So guys, this is Jean from Singapore. Nice, I have a new friend. Nice meeting you. See you soon.
End of flashback.
Mag-isa lang din kasi siya noong time na yon. And nasaktuhan din na umuwi siya dito to renew yung kanyang visa para pwede siya ulit bumalik ng Bangkok or ng Thailand. So merong Starbucks dito, para lang aware kayo. Meron ding McDonald's. Grabe guys yung experience natin sa Universal Studios Singapore. Hulas ang person. Talagang naligo ako after pag uwi natin sa bahay, tapos nag-take out ako ng McDonald's. Kasi yun lang yung parang naisip ko na mas mabilis i-prepare compared doon sa magpapaluto pa tayo doon sa parang mini food court na malapit din sa atin. Tapos yung Songshan Mall, ang dami pala kainan din sa loob. Nandun din yung nandun din yung McDonald's. Hinihingal. I'm here. So yun, ka-chat ko lang si Jean. And then, ang gagawin namin ngayon is pupunta kami ng Cloud Forest at saka Flower Dome. Yun lang. Actually, ito na yun eh. And napakaganda ng panahon ngayon. Totoo nga si weather forecast. Kasi nakalagay doon, makulimlim. Makulimlim ha, buong araw. Pero tignan nyo, walang kaulap-ulap. Kaya ang ending sa USS natin kahapon na vlog, grabe, parang feeling ko nangitim ako ng bongga. And ayun pala guys, so nakuha ko yung ticket natin sa Klook syempre. Lalagay ko na lang dito yung ticket and tinrate natin si Jean. Sabi ko may spare ticket ako, +1. So yun, pinagamit natin sa kanya. And again, Flower Dome at saka Cloud Forest. Yung Cloud Forest guys, ang team niya ngayon is Jurassic Park. So siguro, we're gonna save that, parang save the best for last. And then magpa-Flower Dome muna tayo. Sabi ko, how about mag-luge sa isang araw. Sabi niya meron daw siyang yung Skyline Luge. Sabi niya meron daw siyang lakad. Kaya hindi niya tayo napagbigyan. Pero anyway, at least na-meet natin siya dito para, di ba, if ever bumalik tayo ng Bangkok, nandun na naman siya, edi pwedeng meet ulit. So ganoon. Pakita ko sa inyo kung nasan tayo. And syempre, bibigyan ko kayo ng information about the ticket ha. Kasi pag kukuha ko sa Klook guys, marami siyang options. Pwedeng kunin nyo yung tatlo. Yung Cloud Forest, Flower Dome, at saka yung parang isa pa. But parang pagod na pagod yung baby ko. Charot lang. Ito na yung ticketing booth. Kung hindi kayo kukuha sa Klook, pwede rin naman dito. Nasa kabila yung entrance ng Flower Dome. Ang Cloud Forest alam ko bababa pa eh. Ayan, if ever kung ayaw nyo kumuha sa Klook ha. But syempre, punta na kayo sa Klook. And you can use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook for instant discount up to 3 times use per account. So hintayin natin siya. Sabihin ko na lang I think let's start with the Flower Dome. Okay, nandito na daw siya. Ayan yung sinakay ng Jurassic Park cast, 'di ba? O 'di ba? Nandito na daw siya. Wait. Gusto ko mag-toilet muna. Malayo ba ang toilet? Ayun.
A few inches later.
And guys, ayan, kung gusto niyo mag-shuttle din, parang going to Bayfront Plaza, Active Garden at saka Flower Dome, Cloud Forest, ito siya, $3. two-way na yon, daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Ay, parang gusto ko ng Shake Shack. Charot lang. May energy na tayo. Mas energy, mas happy. Charot. Ito yung Flower Dome. Unahin muna natin. Sunduin muna natin si Jean sa baba. Alright. Let's vault in.
Why were you waiting for so long?
Stairs. The stairs. Where is the stairs? Stairs. Oh. There. Hi, Jean. What's up? How are you? Guys, this is Jean. Remember, we met him at the floating market, right? In Bangkok. You're kind of shy. I'm thinking if we could start with the Flower Dome and then let's save the best for last for the Cloud Forest, because I think they have a theme, Jurassic Park. Have you been here before? Oh, really? Good job. Let's start with the Flower Dome. Yeah. If you want to take some pictures, just let me know, ah. Don't be shy. What? Oh, okay. When are you planning back to go back to Thailand? July? Until August? Okay. Let's go. When did you arrive here? Ah, okay.
Yeah, to the MRT.
Ah.
Quite convenient here.
This is good for two. Right, thank you. Yeah. Are you sure you never been here?
No.
I hope you'll enjoy it. I saw your my story way back in Thailand. You went to Ayutthaya?
Yeah, I went to there.
Alone?
Far.
Far. It's not fun like the floating market and train market.
It's not fun. Just intro essentially.
Oh. Where do you want to go first?
So choice.
Here? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Oh, it's cold in here. I went to USS from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's really, really hot. It was hot.
Yeah. There's no, because this now is it's not monsoon season now.
Oh. So what's the month like during rainy season? What's the month?
September to March.
Oh, September to March? Oh, nice. And then Singapore, they will be in August, right? August 9? 60th?
Well, August 9, Singapore National Golf Course.
Yeah, Singapore. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is a dead end. What do we have here? Ah, okay. So it's literally a flower dome.
And it's good for taking pictures,
Uh-huh.
but I don't really take photos.
Yeah, you don't have any posts in IG. You don't?
I don't go there.
Ah, okay. There. Yeah. We can go back. Let's go.
You wanna go?
Yeah. This is a dead end. How come you don't like go here since you're living here?
It's expensive.
Oh, okay.
Everywhere is expensive.
Yeah. Everything you do here needs money. Yeah. Because I was here last year, and in the Cloud Forest they have different theme, and I think their theme now is Jurassic Park. So yeah, expect you're gonna see some dinosaurs. So let's go down. Explore lang natin to. Actually, ito yung sinasabi ko na ayokong puntahan dapat. Kasi parang literal na flower lang, pero may magandang park dito. Do you have any suggestion where to eat later? It's up to you, it's okay. Like any hawker center or yeah. Yeah. We can go there later.
I cannot eat because I can't.
It's okay. My treat. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry. This is the first time we met here in Singapore. Let's enjoy. Yeah. Okay.
It's a quite long walk.
Saturday by the Bay?
Yeah, something about.
I think it was there. I'm not sure, but I saw a sign.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. It's really a long walk.
I don't know.
Are you good with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just walk from MRT all the way.
How many minutes?
20 minutes.
Wow. So this is like a virtual tour. So what is this? Oh. Sumusunod lang siya sa akin. There. It's like a viewpoint. It's nice. Virtual tour lang to guys ha. Hirap ako mag-English. 5 minutes lang, pagod na ako. Are you sure you don't want to take pictures? Or maybe downstairs?
Take pictures.
No?
You're in Singapore.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm more on videos. Say hi. Say hi. Oh.
Only in Bangkok.
But you're planning to work here in Singapore?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
Okay. Or in Thailand or in Bangkok.
The pay over there is
Not that good. Oh, okay. I see. You know what? Some Filipinos used to like look for a job in Thailand because it's really high than in the Philippines. The salary. But what? That's their options. Let's go here. Have you been to Pattaya?
Yes. Yeah, I got.
Oh, okay.
The school trip.
Ah, nice. Is it good?
You only visited the beach already.
Ah,
That's all. Yeah, I spent my time going on the beach.
so you don't like it,
I like it.
but
Choose to realize the view.
so guys, here in the flower dome, you'll see a lot of flowers. It's like a garden dome, parang ganan. Maraming picture spots. And I think isa sa mga nagustuhan ko, meron ditong parang itong flower theme. Like this, oh. Yeah. Yan, kanya-kanyang pwesto na. Do you like flowers?
People, you know roses.
Ah.
You know?
So. I actually wanted to skip this part, but it's part of the ticket, so we don't have a choice.
It's part of the
Huh?
the part of
Yeah, it's part of the ticket. Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. Okay. And parang kung gusto nyo kayo lang konti lang tao, try nyo siguro mga umaga. Ganon. What's that? Ah, okay. Let's try here. Tabi-tabi po. Ayan. Maganda sana siya kung open para pwedeng mag-picture sa loob. Kaso syempre, walang walang bantay. Okay. Ayun. Kaya yung mga taga dito mismo, hindi sila pupunta sa mga attractions nila kasi nga mahal, which is totoo naman. Lalo na kung wala pa silang work. I think that's it. Yeah. More trees, more flowers. Dati meron to ang daya. Private function. Okay. Yeah, we're done. Good thing aircon dito. And I think same din sa sa Cloud Forest. Hindi ko na masyado kukuhaan si yung kasama ko kasi mahihain. Pero close ko na siya. Close na kami nito. Okay, so way out. And last one, which is this is a bus. Okay. Okay, let's go out. And let's proceed to the next one. O diba, ganun lang. Kaya actually gusto ko na skip to. And ang labas natin is parang mga souvenir shop. Mga bilihan ng mga merchandise. Okay, so we're done. Yeah, let's go. Cloud Forest. Ganun na pala, pwedeng Flower Dome muna. Tapos, ang exit nyo kasi dito na rin sa baba. Ang entrance is sa taas. Para at least Cloud Forest na kayo after.
How many?
2. Thank you.
Hello.
There. Uy. Ang dami agad. Jurassic. Wow. Nice. Kanya-kanyang pwesto for the picture. Excuse me. Oh. You want pictures? Yeah, yeah. You did? Yeah, we can stay here. This is like the best one. We can go up there later. We'll go here. Come here. Reggie. Here's the best one. Ah, nice. Ito yung ano, last time na naligaw ako kasi parang hindi ko napuntahan lahat. So check natin. What's that? Ano meron dito? Ah, okay. Wala lang. Pinipicturean niya lang yung mga ano. Oh. Okay. Ayan oh. You like Jurassic Park? Nah.
Oh, there's a new movie.
They had a new movie, yeah. Oh, that's a big one. Journey at the T-Rex. Left tile. That's a big one.
Please proceed to the nearest subcenter.
Wow. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Uy. Gagawa tayo ng paraan. Wow. Dapat bumubuga ng apoy. Charot lang. Nice. Are you good? Ay, ano to, evolution walk na to? Wala akong ina-expect na hagdanan dito, puro escalator lang dapat. Yan, nag-virtual tour tayo. Evolution walk. It's really more on the garden na. Yeah. Oh, okay. Dito. Lalabas ba siya? Oh? Nice. Hi. Haba ng pila? Ano to? Hindi ko nga alam kung saan papunta to. Parang may escalator ata. Going to the next floor.
Slowing down.
Let's go here. Lost World. The Lost World. Let's go. Ay, aakyat na naman. Ayan, aakyat nga muna tayo. May elevator pala dito. Yeah. Ay, ang taas. Hindi na-explain to sa akin na may hagdanan na ganito. Pagod na ako. Okay. So what do we have here? Ito na ata yung pinakamataas. Uy. There's a big spider. Do you see that one?
Wait, where?
Are you scared of spiders? No?
What classifies as
Nice. Okay. There's a cloud walk. Ito na yung pinakamataas. Ayan, kita dito guys ang MBS. Tapos ang mga Super 3. Nice. Ganda oh. And this is our view.
Oh, there's the boat.
Nice. You're not scared of heights? Are you scared of heights? Oh. Yeah, because I asked you if you want to go to Skyline Lodge because they need to go up.
What?
Yeah, you need to sit down and like a mini cable, not a really cable car. Skyline. Taas natin. Yes. Say hi. Hi. Ganda. Nice view. What's that? Is it like burning? I don't know. It's like burning, right? But it's feels like it's burning. Ay, pakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda na yung view dito. Nice. Oh. I'm going to try the giant swing. Have you heard? Giant swing in Sentosa. Oh. Yeah. Hey, let's go. Ganda guys ng view, oh. If you're scared of heights, siguro sa gitna na lang kayo. Huwag kayo titingin. Ang ganda ng araw. Ay. Akin ka na lang. Okay, so we are done here, guys. Parang from 6th floor siya, tapos pababa. Ay, hindi. 7th floor, tapos pababa kayo ng 6th floor ulit. Parang ganun siya eh. Yan, may Crystal Mountain. Where's the Crystal Mountain?
Level 4, sir.
Level 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Going down. Thank you. Nothing here. Let's just explore it. Okay. Okay. Check natin dito. Anong meron dito? Okay. Mga in-incubate na ano, mga dinosaur. Andun. Wala na dito. Ha? Okay. Okay, let's go back. Oh, nice. So meron ditong waterfall view. Okay. What is this? Waterfall.
Yes or no?
Yeah. Oh. Ito, waterfall view. Use. Let's check. Oy. Ito na siya, oh. Nice. What is this? Crystal Mountain. Ganda nyo, oh. Let's go here. Okay. Wala lang.
Waiting till the morning comes my bed. I just wanna be alone
Okay.
to feel free.
You don't want to take pictures?
You want the picture?
Oh, you. How about you? Oh, where do you want? Okay. I think this will be the last one. Treetop walk. Wow, Jurassic Park. Okay. Jewel? Once. But I did not roam.
Oh, you need to go for it.
Oh. Yan sila, oh. Galing sila dun, oh. Sa taas. Parang ang ganda ng mga shots natin ngayon compared nung mag-isa tayo. Actually, pwede naman mga bata. Ay, ito mas malawak na dito. Ganda ng view. Ooh.
How I leave you, there's no tears, tears, my love, lover cries anymore. Now I leave you, I am perfect size for another one, and you and I believe.
Kaso, baby ko, oh. Ayan, oh. Pak. Be. Dinosaur. Here. Ay, ito. Buti na lang aircon dito, kung hindi tagakas ng pawis ko. Okay, so I think this is the end of the line. Yay. Oh, Treetop Cloud Forest Gallery.
And I know that you're Indian industry. I believe any of you is not free on the restaurant.
Mga gamit lang. Okay.
Make sure the legal item is strong. Now, this leads into the not so fun thing of food. She's extremely aggressive and territorial. So I need you guys to keep your hands, arms, and belongings beyond this cue post at all times. Alright everyone, Justin was proud to present Blow! Alright, please turn off your flashlight, sir. Please turn off your flashlight. Nozzle extremely aggressive to your flashlight.
Nagluloko tayo ni Kuya. Okay, so we are done. Yun. Secret Garden. Mga ano, may enjoy ito kung mga plantito at plantita. Oy. Wow. Kung ako to, ang dami nyo nang narinig kung mag-isa lang ako. Kung matagal maglakad. Oy. Alam niyo ba, isa sa mga pangarap ko, like pangarap lang naman, na tumira sa parang gubat. Kaso, syempre nakakatakot yung may mga ahas, mga ganun. Bibi ko, ayaw yung tumabi. Itong nasa kaliwa. Be. Oh. Nice. Thank you for visiting. Alright, so we are done. Ayan, sa mga merchandise ng Jurassic Park. Ayan. Ang cute po. Nice. Alright. So where do you want to go next? What do you want? Yeah, Satay by the Bay. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna eat. Are you sure it's too far? Okay. Let's give it a try. Okay. Alright, so guys, we are done with the Flower Dome and Cloud Forest for kids and for family. Kapag nandito kayo sa Singapore, just give it a try. Malamig sa loob. Tapos ang daming mga bete. And then, next is Satay. Is it Satay by the Bay? Satay. Okay. Satay. This way. It's like a food court or a restaurant. Okay. Food center. Parang hawker center dito sa Gardens by the Bay. Let's go. Satay by the Bay. Kakain kami. Tapos, first time ko rin eh. O diba, ito yung tahimik na vlog natin. More on virtual tour na lang muna tayo. Kasi syempre naninibago pa siya. First time kong makasama siya sa vlog. So that's why, syempre, respetuhin natin. Nahiya pa siya. Pero malay nyo, diba, pagbalik natin dito, okay na siya. Pero nagkukwentuhan naman kami. Syempre yung iba, parang kinikilala namin yung isa't isa. Ang ganda pa pala dito. Ang laki pa pala nito. Ganda oh. Pwede kayo mag-jogging. That's my park. Oh, you're playing in the water. Ito yung dome. Nasa labas na tayo. Yes. Ang cute. Mga naliligo yung mga bata. Children garden. Okay. Parang water park ang nangyari. May mga bike. Do you know how to ride a bike?
Yep. No?
Yeah. Ay, ito si baby. Ang ganda pala dito. Ngayon ko lang nalakad to. At least explore natin pare-pareho. Ayan. Tapos ito yung mga bike. How do you like rent a bike? You need a card?
There's an app.
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 Hello Ride?
Either Hello Ride or anywhere.
Okay.
Once you ride, then there's a QR code.
QR code, yeah. Ayan o, mga nagbabike ko. Ang ganda naman pala dito. Tabor Singapore Flyer. Children's Garden, naliligo yung mga bata. Saya naman. Ay, anong oras na pala? Oo nga no? 6:12 na guys, pero maliwanag pa. Nakakatuwa. Ayun na, nag-jogging oh. Malapit lang pala siya. Ito na siya. Satay by the Bay. So is it like kind of a hawker center or?
A hawker center.
Namin nag-jogging. Nag-jogging ba tayo? Ayan. Alright. Welcome to Satay by the Bay. May Thai cuisine. Yun nga lang hindi siya aircon. Ayan. Let's find the seat first. Oh, there you go. You want to order first?
Sure. Do not order.
Huh?
I do not order.
Anything you want. Yeah. Here.
Thank you.
Yeah, anything you want. Yeah, you go first. Alright, pinauna muna natin siya Para makapagsuklay ako. Okay. So guys ano siya, straight siya ha, huwag kayong ano. Huwag nyo ako lulukohin sa kanya. Tsaka ano namin to, first time na maglibot dito sa Singapore. Tapos sinamahan niya tayo. And first time ko dito sa Satay by the Bay, ilibutin natin to. Tapos ganun pa rin may halal at saka non-halal. Kung halal kayo guys, then ask nyo na lang. Hindi ko alam kung may may nakalagay ba. Magkano lang tayo. May Thai cuisine dito. Sige, magsasatay tayo. Yung Cloud Forest at saka yung Flower Dome. Kasi yung team ng Cloud Forest ngayon is Jurassic Park. Lalagay ko na yung mga information dito. Yung inclusions, balik parang ang inclusions lang naman niya talaga is yung entrance sa theme park or dun sa attraction. Tapos other than that, may bayad na yung tubig kung gusto nyo kumain, may bayad na yung kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga merchandise. Alam nyo na yan, nakakatuwa, pambata siya. And then first time ko dito sa Satay by the Bay, dinala tayo dito kasi tinanong ko siya kung saan gusto niya kumain. And akala ko, sabi ko, bakit ang liwanag pa? 6:19 na pala guys. So parang nakapaglibot tayo sa dalawang attraction na yon for 1 hour. Kaya siya. Pero kung gusto niyo pa magstay dito, like libutin talaga yung Gardens by the Bay, meron pa dito yung OCBC Skywalk, meron pa dito yung Super Tree Grove. That's it?
Got something, a something for you to try.
Oh, okay. Oh, you ordered for me?
We can check.
Okay.
I mean, for us to check, so let you try to break down.
How about drinks?
What do you want?
Like lemon tea?
I can.
Yeah?
Okay.
You choose what you want.
You want?
Lemon tea and water. Diba? Sakto, in-order na tayo ng satay. Actually, gusto ko yung satay. Nakapag-try na ako niya sa Bangkok. Pero mas gusto ko ngayon, hulas na naman tayo. Gusto ko ng maraming tubig. Tapos tikman natin. Syempre, may kasamang review. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You want more? You want something else?
You want?
How about you?
Let's get this.
Oh, what did you order? Satay. And then?
Something beef, chicken, and pork.
Is it? How about? That's it? Are you good with that?
No, yeah, we do.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Or you want something else?
I mean, I got dinner at home.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Anytime my parents there,
You need to take dinner. Okay. I'll check.
You can choose whatever you want.
Okay. Check tayo kung ano pang food na pwede natin orderin. Umorder na siya, pero parang may gusto kong iba pa. Oh, satay.
Minimum 3 pieces.
Ayun, yung sarap chicken wings. Wait, parang may nakita ko dito kanina eh. Oh, this is seafood. Oh. Ay, check ko kasi galing siyang Bangkok, di ba? Sige, wait lang. Tanong natin siya kung gusto niyo ng pad thai. Jane, do you miss, have you tried the pad thai in Bangkok? Do you miss it? No, okay.
You buy pad thai?
No, I bought last night. Okay, mag-barbecue chicken wings tayo. Hello, how much for the barbecue chicken wings?
Then we want $2. Yeah, minimum three pieces $1.
Okay. Do you have other flavor or just the barbecue?
Just barbecue.
Okay. I'll get 4. Yeah, 4.
$8. Thank you.
Thank you. Ang chicken wing, $2 each. So nasa parang nasa 80 pesos. Oh, okay. 80 pesos isa, tapos minimum of 3 pieces. Nilibre ko na siya si Jean kasi kawawa naman. Ako naman yung nagyaya sa kanya na pumunta dito. Tapos sabi niya, ay hindi daw siya kakain ng marami kasi magagalit daw yung mama niya kapag hindi siya kumain. Ayun, kaya parang merienda lang namin to. Kawawa naman yung mga ganun, no? Well, nagaling naman tayo doon sa nung nag-i-school pa tayo na hindi tayo makakilos masyado. Like, gusto natin pumunta sa ibang lugar kasi nga wala tayong budget. So parang ganun siya. Kaya sabi ko, sige, libre ko na lang siya. Libre na lang kita. What is this rojak?
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Spring chicken. Tapos meron ditong beer. May happy hour. Ito, may happy hour dito. And dito, may happy hour. Tapos ito mga beverages din.
有啊，我们有卖啊，上高冰块。
Thank you. There. Barbecue chicken wings. You don't want water? You want water? No. Okay. Sarap.
This is technical.
Yeah. This is nice. Refreshing. You know what? In the Philippines, if it's already 6 p.m., it's dark. But it's here. It's still like 5 p.m.
No, 7 p.m. is still bright.
Oh, really? 7 p.m.
It's until 8 o'clock.
8. Oh, okay.
7:30 to 12 o'clock. You want to
There you go. You go first if you want.
or is this or dinner?
Maybe dinner. Yeah.
Maybe dinner.
Hmm? Have you been to Malaysia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been to Malaysia, I've been to KL,
KL.
Johor Bahru.
Johor Bahru. I heard they will have a train next year from Singapore going to KL.
Yeah. It's going is under construction right now.
Oh, okay. Malaki pala siya, like buong chicken wings. Sarap. Sarap nito, guys. Refreshing. Sarap yung chicken barbecue. Parang ano, for the price, parang sakto lang. Oh, nice. Enjoy. Look at this. So this is chicken, pork and beef satay, and the sauce. Different sauce or just one sauce? Different sauce?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, the same sauce. Do you like spicy food? Of course.
But this is not spicy.
Look at this. Nakapag-try na tayo before nito.
Right?
Yeah. And I like it. Sarap.
Is there a huge difference?
Hmm?
Is there a huge difference or
Almost the same. Dami pala. Mukbang. Mukbang. I'm actually following one vlogger here in Singapore. I think he just started last year and he gained a lot of followers. So he's doing like some tours, activities around Singapore.
what's the name?
Singapore. This guy. He just started last year and he's now has like 25,000 followers in YouTube, but his views is like 100,000, 200,000. Yeah, you might want to consider. Nahihiya siya. Here, this is alcohol. Nagbukbang kami, di ba? Check natin kung hanggang kailan to. I mean kung hanggang ano oras. Satay by the Bay. So from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. during weekends. Beef. Do you usually eat rice in a day?
Yeah, I eat rice every day.
Every day?
Monday, lunch, dinner, and breakfast.
Ah, okay. This is chicken.
Eat chicken.
Yeah.
Easy. I should get a mutton.
Yung sauce niya, may pagka parang peanut sauce. Hindi siya maanghang. Have you seen the video? You're on the last part. I just posted it yesterday. Yeah, one here. Yeah. So in Singapore, you have 4 official language like English, Mandarin, Malay,
Something like that.
Tamil.
Then,
Is it Tamil or Tamil? Tamil. Is there like a time here during the day that you're not allowed to drink liquor?
there's no time, but
No time.
there's no time that you are allowed to drink, but there's a time that you're not allowed to buy.
Oh, you're not allowed to buy.
After 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
you are not allowed to buy any alcohol.
Oh, after 10 p.m. you're not allowed to buy. Because
But you can drink.
you can drink, but you're not allowed to buy. If you have like, oh, okay. So do you have a lot of friends here?
But they all like at home right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because they don't like to go out.
Oh, they don't enjoy going out? Or they're just bored?
They're just bored. Kaya lang.
Yan, ito. May hugasan naman pala ng kamay doon. So pwede kayo magkamay. This is good. Yeah. You want more drinks? Yeah. What do you want?
Bye-bye.
Are you sure? You want more?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're good with that? Okay.
Need one more, then I can buy for you.
How much is it? This one?
That one is 250.
Okay. Let me know if you want. You can eat two.
So where will you be going tomorrow?
Tomorrow, the Giant Swing in Sentosa and Harry Potter.
Is it in Sentosa also?
Yeah. There you go. You finish it. You want more? Yeah. You can buy one more. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You're back.
Now you can wash your hands.
Oh. I will do it.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Mapait siya, guys. Gusto ko yung lemon tea. Sarap. Bili pa tayo. Ngayon, nasarap naman. Ang sarap talaga may kakwentuhan, guys. Kapag kumakain. Kaso nauubos yung English ko. Napapagod ako magano. Nagiging tiring yung araw ko lalo. Tapos, pag mag-isa ako, alam niyo naman yan, palagi ko kayo kausap, di ba? So, ganun yung feeling. Mahal daw yung tubig dito, sabi niya. Kung gusto niyo, magdala na lang kayo ng empty bottle, tapos mag-refill kayo dito. Kasi maraming ano dito, refilling station. You want? You want?
You want now?
Yeah, I want lemon tea. Sabi niya kasi siya na daw bibili. Princess ang tag natin. Charot lang. Sakit ng ano? Sakit ng paa ko? Ayaw nga pala, wait lang. Ayan, 7 o'clock na. May upload pala tayo, guys. Wait. Alright, thank you. During weekends, where do you usually go? You stay at home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every day, stay home.
Oh. Look, it's 7 o'clock na. Pero it's still parang daytime pa rin, no? Sarap, guys. Lemon tea. Where do you want to go next? Or do you want to go home na? You, it's up to you.
I love it.
Huh?
What do you want to go?
Not sure yet.
I mean, I can go home for then you can eat.
Huh?
I can go home.
Okay. Yeah.
Then you will be staying here.
Maybe, yeah. So where's the nearest MRT here?
Gardens by the Bay.
Gardens by the Bay. Just here.
That's a short thing. So I see you. This Friday?
Yeah, it's up to you if you want. If you're free, I'll give you a message.
Give me a message.
Yeah.
I see you.
Like, see you. Let's take a picture last time. Say goodbye now, Jean. My new friend here from Singapore. We're gonna see each other again soon. Maybe in Bangkok. I'll let you know. Bye-bye. Thanks for the time. Parang sarap magstay ngayon dito kasi ano, ang sakit ng paa ko. From Universal Studio, kahapon na vlog, ngayong vlog ng Cloud Forest at saka Flower Dome. Tapos kumain tayo dito. Parang gusto ko nang matulog. Mag-teleport. May MRT naman dito, guys. Alam nyo kung mura lang yung massage dito. May pa-massage na ako. Aray ko. Sakit ng mga legs ko, guys. Check ko pa kung saan tayo pwedeng pumunta next. Parang I'm thinking na umuwi na para makapagpahinga. We're done for the day. Ganon. Tapos uwi na tayo siguro. Makapagpahinga tayo ng bongga. And another productive day again. Tignan nyo, guys. For this day, nakadalawang vlog tayo. Kahapon, nakatatlo. O di ba, 5 agad? Sakit ng legs ko. Aray ko. Sakit? Sarap humiga. Sige, uuwi na nga lang siguro muna tayo. Tapos check ko lang kung saan yung way.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. One eternity later.
Alright guys, we are done here. Nagpahinga lang ako kasi parang after kong kumain, nakaramdam ako ng antok. And ito siya pala, pakita ko ulit sa inyo guys ha. First time natin dito sa Satay by the Bay. And para siyang hawker center din. And maraming kainan. May Thai cuisine, may Turkish and Indian. Tapos meron ditong fruit juice, merong seafood, merong alcoholic drinks sa likod niyan. Tapos ito pa pala, may mga seafood din dito. In fairness masarap yung masarap yung satay. And then guys, 7:30 na. Look at that, maliwanag pa. Nagulat nga ako, ay, ang dami nagjo-jogging. Kaso madilim hindi ko makikita yung mga itsura. Ay, ito si baby. Be, kaya mo yan, be. Ayun, ang ganda guys. Nakakaloka Tapos sabi ko kay Jean kanina, grabe, sa atin 6 o'clock na, 6 PM na, madilim na. Dito mag-start pa lang madilim mga 8 PM. Tapos guys, uwi na tayo kasi napagod talaga ako. I hope guys na gustuhan nyo yung pinakita namin sa inyo ni Jean. Sorry guys, medyo nahihiya pa siya at hindi ako makapag-joke. Makapag-salita ng bongga kasi syempre nahihiya pa siya. First first date. Charot lang. Ngayon lang ulit kami nakita after namin magkita sa Thailand, diba? Nagkakilala kami sa Thailand, sa Bangkok. Tapos taga dito siya, ayan, ngayon lang kami nakita. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, babawi na lang tayo. So, ang pinakamalapit dito guys pala na MRT after ng Satay by the Bay is yung Gardens by the Bay MRT. Doon tayo sasakay. And parang sabi ko kay Jean, wala akong ganap ng, niyayaya ko kasi siya dapat ng Friday. Sabi niya hindi nga daw siya pwede kasi may lakad siya. Pero parang kanina sabi niya, sabihan ko daw siya kung saan ako ng Friday. So mukhang nagustuhan niya ang ating company. So diba, ganun. Charot lang. Nakakatuwa tong camera talaga natin. Maganda siya talaga pag madilim guys. Basta may parang liwanag pa rin. Yan katulad ganyan Kitang-kita pa rin tayo. Alright. So dito tayo sa gilid para may mga poste. Papaalam din naman tayo sa Gardens by the Bay MRT station. Ang sarap ng feeling ng ganito. Sabi ko, ba't may naririnig ako dito sa gilid? Kung may mga naglalakad pala sa pinaka-garden. So ito, maliwanag dito sa MRT station. Ang ganda. So dito tayo paalam. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am season, I wanna take my clothes. Pag naghubad ako dito, nag-topless ako, tapos nag-jogging, magtatakbuhan talaga. Ayun siya guys. So nandito na tayo sa Gardens by the Bay. Saya-saya lang ng experience natin. And again guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin sa vlog na to. And kung nag-enjoy kayo, syempre don't forget to like this video and share sa mga alam niyo pupunta dito. Nagugustuhan ko lang, ang ganda ng view, Marina Bay Sands. So ayun, please subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin, not only here in Singapore at sa iba pang lugar. Okay, mapa-domestic and mapa-international, isa lang naman sinasabi ko, enjoy life, live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment, and you will never get to this age guys. Please do what makes you happy. Ay, nakakapagod. Kaya ako pumapayat. Hindi tayo nag-exercise pero mahilig tayo maglakad. Malakas yung mga bias ko guys. Huwag nyo akong kakalabanin sa lakad, kahit akyatan pa yan. So yun lang. And syempre, follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. Eto literal, good night everyone. See you tomorrow. Mama, chup chup.
이제 wonder